What is up, everyone? Thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking on this video. Before we begin, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I do have more content in the works, so please subscribe to the girls' channel. Like, we're getting somewhere, you know? So before we begin, I just want to let you know that I got the Target July box because one, it was $7. Two, I'm treating myself all summer long. I don't give a fuck. Even my bank account is telling me not to treat myself. I'm going to do it. And three, I genuinely enjoyed the first Target box and I like what they offered. So I was like, why not do it again? And it was free shipping. I don't have the Target Red card. I'm sure you're shocked, just as I am shocked, that I don't actually own the Target Red card, but they're offering free shipping on all of their beauty boxes for some reason on the app. So for $7, free shipping, I was like, can't beat that. So it came really fast. It just came on Friday. Today's Monday. Okay, I had like a little calendar over here. I was like, it is actually Monday. So shipping was pretty fast. This is what July's beauty box looks like. I think it's really pretty. Unfortunately, there's nothing on the back letting me know what's inside. So, you know, we're going to be surprised together. Okay, so I'm guessing today's box or this month's box is called Gym Bag Beauty. Oh, okay. Well, you do have all the things that are listed here. You can even scan it to get $3 off beauty purchase of $15 or more. Again, like I said, if you're trying to save some money, please download the Target app. Like, literally, you're saving money as you're balling out in fucking Target. Like, why would you be mad at that? So this month comes with a bunch of cleaning products, a bunch of beauty products to help you on the go after the gym. So there's a simple sassy sachet, moisturizing face wash, simple micellar cleansing water. I love micellar water. I don't know who put me on. I think it was Makeup Twitter. And I love micellar water. If you have very pigmented eye makeup, saying you're using like a red eyeshadow or a blue eyeshadow, everyone knows that it stains your eyes regardless of whether you're using a primer or not. So micellar water is actually really great to remove really tough makeup, and it like does such a great job of cleansing your pores without making it feel like stiff. You know, like when you use astringent, it kind of just like strips your skin. So micellar water is a great. I genuinely use the Garnier. Y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. I use that brand, but like I'm not mad at using another brand. They have the Nexxus Frizz Defy Anti-Frizz Sheets. That's cute. I'm assuming they're for the other type of curls and not the, you know, the natural black woman curls. But, you know, hey, I might be adventurous and test that out. They have Crest Kids Anti-Cavity, Cavity Protection, Fluoride Toothpaste, Strawberry Rush. Okay, I mean, I guess. I mean, if you work out early in the morning and you didn't brush your teeth, but that sounds a little musty. I always brush my teeth before I even step out the house. Like, you'll never catch me nobody gym, nobody restaurant, nobody nothing, and my teeth have not been brushed. That's just not the wave. Like, the most I carry is like gum or Tic Tacs or some shit, but yeah. Then they have Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky shampoo and the conditioner, and then they have a Cure's Radically Rejuvenating Day Cream facial moisturizer with SPF 30. Yes, okay. This is really cute. I don't know about that shampoo and conditioner, especially Head and Shoulder. My dad used to use that back in the day when he had dandruff, but like I'm not a big fan of Head and Shoulder. I find that to be very stripping of like natural oils in your natural hair. So I don't really use those type of shampoos, but I might fuck around and use it in a wig, like, you know, to help my wigs out. Okay. Oh, okay. This is cute. This is the toothpaste that I was talking about. It probably tastes really good. I know you're not supposed to like eat toothpaste, but like sometimes you'll get like the kid flavors and it just like it low-key slaps. I'm gonna shut the fuck up before someone reports me like, this bitch out here eating fucking toothpaste. I'm like, not all the time. Some Head and Shoulder Silky Smooth. Okay. I'm not mad at that. Till full size. Okay, these anti-frizz sheets. I'm sorry. If you have a big ass head, I'm assuming you're probably gonna need at least 2 to 3 of these to like help with the frizz. I don't know. Apparently, you're supposed to glide the sheet over your hair to calm static and smooth frizzy hair. Oh, okay. I mean, I guess. I don't know. Okay, that might be in somebody's Christmas gift if we keeping it a buck. Ooh. And this is the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. Oh, I like the packaging. I think it's very cute. Kind to skin. It's for sensitive skin. Oh, no artificial perfumes or dye. I like that. I remember Simple being very organic, very natural, so I appreciate that. Appreciate them putting that in my box for $7 fucking dollars. Can you believe that? And then this is the micellar water. Oh, and it just says squeeze me. I'm made of 62% less plastic. Oh, that's cute. All right, no beef with that. So far, I'm liking the box. I think they're very cute. They're very affordable. Again, if you're ever looking to just give your friends a really cute gift, I would suggest one of the beauty boxes and just like throw some other personal shit in there. Like, I feel like they're just easy to give, like gift boxes, subscription boxes. They're very easy if you're limited on time and a little limited funds. Like Groupon always has a subscription box. Bitches love subscription boxes. Okay, everyone is tired of their job, everyone is bored, and we all love to come home to some box or some other shit and just feel good about yourself, feel good about your fucking day. So now I have the Acure Radically Rejuvenating SPF Day Cream. Okay, it has turmeric, ferulic acid, and vitamin C. I don't think I said that acid thing right, but who gives a hootenanny? Ooh. I've never heard of the Secure brand. I'm not gonna lie to you. I tend to stick to Sephora or Ulta or even Lord and Taylor's when it comes to finding new skincare products. I know I sounded super bougie, but it's just like I have dealt with acne my whole life, and it's just now that I'm getting into like my mid to late 20s where my skin is starting to look better. So I'm not fucking around with just any old product. So sorry, not sorry. Thank you. Next. But I'll try it out, and if I don't fuck with it, I'm sure my mom will gladly steal this from me. Again, I have never seen this brand in Target, and I'm in Target every other fucking day. So like, okay, Target on the up and bougie really quickly. I fuck with it. Again, the whole theme of this box was gym bag beauty. So far, I like it. I like what they're doing with their boxes, and it's way cheaper than the Sephora box, way cheaper than Birchbox, way cheaper than Ipsy and all that other shit. And you tend to get things you kind of need. I'm not saying you don't need another lipstick, but bitch, sometimes you need some shit while you're at the fucking gym. So I rate this box a 5 out of 5 again. Way better than that Babe box I talked about in the beginning. So far, like, I've just had nothing but good things for Target. I love Target. Fuck with Target more, okay? So thank you for watching this video once again. I hope everyone has a blessed, great day. I hope you get everything you are trying to manifest, okay? Stay tuned. I got more content. I love you. Bye.